I think real love and love that is very fulfilling is complex. When I say complex, there are layers to it, there are different colors to it, and because it's complex, it allows for growth. Complexity allows for compromise. Complication just gives you a headache. So I think you avoid complicated situations and complicated relationships, but I think you all, for me, personally, you always have to aspire for a love that's complex. When I say complex, there's more to it than just simpleng kilig or
Actually,
whatever. So parang yun yung tingin ko doon. But I also agree with what Anton is saying. Amidst all that complexity, you know you're probably in the right relationship, you're in the right person. If at your very core, at your simplest, that person gets you, and you get that person. And while we were doing this movie, parang I watched this video. I don't know if you've heard yung TED Talks.
Yeah.
Okay. I really love yung TED channel. There was this anthropologist who was talking about the brain in love.
Yeah.
Like how sometimes ang feeling ng brain pag nai-love siya, it's like an addiction, it's like a drug in your head. And there's constant need to possess and be possessed, ganyan. Tapos may in-explain pa rin siya about how men and women relate differently when it comes to love. Sa babae, kailangan face-to-face. Ganun mag-express ng love. Sa babae, sa lalaki side by side. Which is why if you see, I don't know, parang nagandahan lang ako nung pinapanood ko na yung ending namin. Sabi ko, ganito nga mag-express ng love ang lalaki, side by side. Na iniisip ko, kasi parang, siguro ganun nga pagdating sa love, I think sa lalaki, it's always who's standing beside me, who's by my side. Sa babae, who am I looking at? Who is my future? And because ganun katungin sa love becomes complex. It's not just an in-the-moment thing. And I think the two actors said something about it na, you talk about the future. You talk about things that go beyond this moment. And that makes it complex and that makes it exciting. So ako, personally, avoid complications, pero go for complexity.
Okay. Ako last na talaga question. Ko, Sarah, after watching the movie tonight kami, I will get to watch it tonight. Ano yung mararamdaman namin? Coming from the lead actors, Tonyo, the characters, Tonyo and Tep Tep. After, paglabas ng sinehan, ano yung gusto ninyong, ano yung mararamdaman namin?
Sa akin, definitely may in love kayo. May in love kayo, ikilig. Hindi, sa pelikula Sa pelikula talagang, sabi ko nga, hindi ko na-expect yung hanggang kahuli-hulihan ng eksena. Talagang, nung nagdadabing ako na inabot ako ng 7 a.m. Alam nyo, imbis na tutusin sa pagod ko nga, pwede na ako na, sige na, alis na ako. Kasi didiretso ako ng taping ng 8 a.m. Alam mo, nagpe-preview pa ako. Sabi ko, paano nangyari to? Baga hindi ko, kasi alam ko, siguro first time ko nagawa or na-experience yung gano'n. Parang wala lang, nag-uusap lang kami ni Sarah. Pero kilig na kilig ako, bilang ako na yung umaarte noon. Siguro naging viewer din ako that time, ako nanonood ko. Pero kinikilig ako sa simpleng, siguro yun yung sinabi lang chemistry na ngayon ko talagang naramdaman. Parang yun pala yun. Sabi ko in fairness, sabi ko talagang, siguro nagawa ko yung, kasi ako sa mahilig ako sa mga love story na mga pelikula And then, happy ako kasi alam ko na may nagawa na ako. Thank you po.
Miss Sarah, anong mararamdaman namin after the journey of Tep Tep and of Tep Tep in the movie?
Siguro, besides, dun sa kilig, dun sa yung pagiging in love, at yung aral din na maibibigay natin sa viewers, siguro magbibigay din ng yung storya ng realization of everyone who is in a relationship, no, na kung gaano ka importante nga na maging totoo ka sa sarili mo, na yung klase ng pag-ibig na meron ka with this person, nakikita mo na maglalas sa future, hindi lang yung dahil just for the moment. So, yun.
Nice. Lahat naman tayo look forward na mag-last ang isang relationship. And with that, message from Sarah and Coco, mabilisan lang from Anton, a message, let us ask for support of our mahal natin mga vloggers. Anton, please.
Thank you po sa inyong lahat na pumunta po kayo dito to promote our movie. Sana po magkita-kita tayo mamaya and supportan niyo po yung maybe this time showing na po starting tomorrow.
Okay, thanks a lot. Miss Vanessa, please.
Once again, thank you all for coming here. Like I always say, this is the most fun part. And that's why this is the only thing I do. So thank you so much for all the help you will be extending to us for this movie. Thank you for coming today.
Thanks, Miss Van. Of course, Miss Melay.
Thank you po today, dahil nandito kayong lahat. At sana po supportahan niyo ang Baby this month.
Of course, Miss Kukay.
Maraming salamat po, and sasagutin ko lang sa tanong ni Sir EJ kanina. Nung
Ay, ano yun?
Yung
Ikaw-
tungkol sa
Okay.
feeling.
Oo.
After watching it. Kasi ako talaga lagi kami nakangiti. So, yun. Sana kayo rin. And sana supportan niyo talaga yung pelikula. Kasi,
Sarah, nung napanood
oo.
ko yan,
So, kasi sana nung napanood yung ending talagang parang hindi siya yung umaarte. Kasi kinikilig kami lahat.
Your last project was Starting Over Again, right? Okay, and of course, the phenomenal Jerry Sina. Nag-message ka na ba?
Ayun lang po. Thank you.
Okay, the phenomenal
Thank you po,
Jerry
thank you po sa
Sina.
pag-gising ng maaga to be with us this morning. Please support us. Thank you.
Thank you, Derek, and of course, the box office queen herself, Miss Sarah, and Coco Martin.
Yan. Salamat po ulit sa oras po ninyo at sana po ma-appreciate ninyo yung hard work na ibinigay po namin dito sa Maybe This Time. Ayan.
Thank you po sa inyong lahat. Sana po supportahan nyo. Bukas na po. At mamaya po premiering. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, and on behalf of Star Cinema Adprom, Star Creative Adprom, and Viva Entertainment, thank you, our dear lovers, for the usual support na ibinibigay nyo, and of course, our friends from the Talk Unit and TV News, Miss Marie Lozano, TV Patrol, everyone, MJ Felipe, thank you so much. Tomorrow is the grand opening day, May 28, in 157 cinemas nationwide.